What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fry.
Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
I just don't want him waking up. Allergies. No? Overkill?
You're the best girlfriend, Anna.
Here comes the boy. Hello. Welcome.
And my head hit the wall. Boom.
I told you to stop it because you're making me uncomfortable. No! Why are you meowing at me?
I could really go for a snack right now. That'll work.
Alright guys, let's get this string cheese. It's pretty good, but I don't know if I really like... Oh, my bad, bro.
I can't make this shit up.
Thank you. It was an honor to be here, and thank you for everything. I had a great experience. Carlos, I know it's been...
In response to not getting the attention I deserve, I've decided I will cause problems on purpose.
Yeah, the cat's hiding from you. He's got a safe spot. And he likes to sleep there in the sun.
Bullshit.
Bullshit? Did you just say bullshit?
Usually Lennon like climbs up a ticket to the windowsill, and she just like couldn't tell that there was no glass in it. So Lennon,
What the did? She just ran all the way along, upside down. Bro, she's broken. Holy shit, man, what the is wrong with my cat?
This is what happened when you jump into the toilet bowl. You can't get in the toilet.
what are you two doing?
This bird will not stop barking.
Guys, I think my cat is broken.
Ah! Oh! No! How the f? Noodle! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, you want some water? Hey, bro, you want some water? Hey, bro, you want some water? My bad. Here you go, bro.
If you didn't fight, would you rather have a gay son or a thought daughter?
Tell me your cat is a psycho without telling me your cat is a psycho.
Excuse you!
So I have a lightsaber, right?
Hey! You break them, you buy them. And you don't make any money. When you're too lazy to shut off the lights. Hell yeah.
What you looking at, buddy?
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
The person who sent you this just wanted to say,
Hello, mother.
Oh my god!
You stupid bitch. Keep playing with me. I'm not playing with you. I don't you up. I know where the you live. You stupid bitch.
Gotta do some shopping. Shopping complete. Give her a kiss, Kara.
You're crazy.
Kara, she's telling you to put her down.
Дай-ка ты, сука, попутал, что ли? Смотри, она все равно идет. Блядь.
¿Quién fue el primer presidente de... Señor, no hay necesidad de que se ponga...
Cheese.
There's a fairly large spider on my cat's head.
Telling you, has to be smoother. Will make no noise. Ready?
It's gotta cool off still. It's gotta cool. It's gotta cool. I really should. I really
Hey mama, good morning. Fine, you don't gotta talk to me today. Girly, why you ignoring me?
Sure did. How many are there?
36. Counted them myself.
36!
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas.
Dude.
Oh, hi, Jake. What are you doing here?
Good morning. What are you doing?
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
When she asks you to put a cat door in the corner. So you make one. Well,
Hey, buddy, can I get a... Hell yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Newbie, how would you feel if you were fed 1 minute late?
Concrete?
That's concrete, baby.
Concrete.
Concrete.
Funky, concrete. Concrete.
Nie mogę.
So she can go potty. Good boy, Mama. He was gonna pee right on us. Good boy, Mama. Good boy. No.
Man, I must have been so drunk last night. I literally brought a loaf of bread with me into bed. How'd you get up here?
Excuse me. You need to borrow these? Hello? You need to borrow these?
Huele bien feo, mira, huélelo. Mira, huélelo. Fúchila, huele a pedo. Ay, no, sácate por.
Hey, buddy.
Good boy. That's a good burp.
He's smelling bacon for the first time. He's like, I smell it, let me inhale it.
Yeah, now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
No, I am, because I'm going to lose my job.